Hello students, this is chapter number 6 verbs. Here we will solve the exercises in the book of this chapter. First is let's link it. Question A says that you have to choose the correct verbs from the box and fill in the blanks. Means in the box certain verbs are written, so you have to see those verbs and fill in with the suitable one in each of the blank. First is Wendy. Wendy is good poet. She wins prizes at competition. So student, here is used because in the second part of the sentence, she wins prizes. Here wins shows that it is a present tense. Okay, so we will write here is. Second, Rajat was sick yesterday. Here was is used because yesterday shows the past time. Third, we have two bookshelves in the study right now. Have is used for we. We will not use has because we is plural pronoun here. Fourth, my uncle had a typewriter. He sold it few years ago. Here the second part, he sold it. Sold shows that the action has been done in the past. So we will use here had. We will write had. Fifth, my friends say that I am a nice person. Here say shows present tense. So we will use am here. Sixth, we were going to school yesterday when it started raining. Yesterday again shows the past time. So we will write here were. Jake and Sue are pianists. My sister loves to listen to them. Here Jack and Sue, they are two persons. The subjects are plural. So we will use here are, and the second part of the sentence love shows that the action is in present tense. Eighth, Danish dash a nice toy but he lost it. Here had has been used because he lost it. Lost shows the action has been done in the past. Ninth, Saina is writing a letter to a friend. A friend wrote to her last time. Here the action was done in last time in the past, but presently Saina is writing back her again, because if our friend gives us a letter, then we will give a thanks or a written letter also, so the action is done in present tense. Here is used. 10th, Hemant has 5 pairs of shoes. He still wants to buy more. Here the action is still in continuity. Here we will solve let's crack it. Underline the helping verb and circle the main verbs in the sentences. One has been done for you. You are dancing well. Here helping verb is are and main verb is dancing. Second, Sarfaz and his mom were returning from the airport. Here were is helping verb and returning is main verb. Third, Ravi is cooking risotto. Is helping verb and cooking is main verb. Fourth, I called you last afternoon. You were sleeping. Were is helping verb and sleeping is main verb. Fifth, the telephone is ringing. Is helping verb and ringing is main verb. Fifth, Christine has left her book on the table. Has is helping verb and left is main verb. Seventh, I have packed all my stuff in a backpack. Have is helping verb and packed is main verb. 8th, mother is preparing a dish of eggs and spinach. Is helping verb and preparing is main verb. B question, read the sentences and write whether the actions are happening in present time or they happened in the past time and has been done for you. First, Zuni is making up a cup of coffee. Is making shows the action is done in present time. So we will write here present. Second, Mr. Sterling was explaining a lesson to his students. Was explaining shows the action is done in the past. So we will write here past. Rakhi is distributing toffees in the class. Is distributing shows the present time action. Fourth, I am helping a friend to solve the sums. Am helping shows the action is done in present time. Ruhab was wiping the floor because it was dirty. Was wiping shows the action is done in past time. So we have written here past. Then sixth, my parents are unpacking the cartons. Are unpacking shows the action is done in present time. So present. Question C. Fill in the blanks with present participle form of the verb from the that is given in the brackets. One has been done. Avneet is practicing arithmetic. The present participle for practice is practicing. Second, we are boarding the Rajdhani Express. The present participle of board is boarding. Third, everyone is leaving the theatre because the film is horrible. The present participle for leave is leaving. Then fourth, I am taking a shower at midnight because it is very hot. For take, the present participle is taking. Fifth, the soldiers are fighting the battle last month. The present participle for fight is fighting. Sixth, the archaeologist was excavating this site around this time last year. The present participle of excavate is excavating. Question D. Circle the subject and underline the verb. In the first sentence, Anita is a good hockey player. The subject is Anita and the verb is. Second, Dina and Farah draw well. Dina and Farah are subjects and draw is verb. Third, the hive of bees in our garden is full of honey. Hive of bees is subject and is verb. Fourth, a pair of shoes is missing from my room. Here, pair of shoes is subject and is missing is verb. Fifth, Maria wants to join the adventure club. Maria is subject and wants is verb. Sixth, I have dance classes every Sunday. Here, I is subject and have dance is verb here. Then E question, fill in the blanks with the verbs that agree with the subjects in the sentences. First, the crowd was asked to move out of the park. Here, was is used because the crowd is collective noun. Second, the scissors that he bought yesterday is damaged. Here we are talking about a pair of scissors. So, we will use is as a verb. Third, the flock of birds we saw yesterday has flown away. Flock of birds is again a collective noun. So, we have used here singular verb. Fourth, Gauri and Gautam are keen to play tennis. Gauri and Gautam both are plural nouns. So, the subjects are plural. The verb will also be plural. So, we have used here are. Fifth, the tap water is quite cold here. Tap water is uncountable noun. So, we will use is as a verb. Sixth, do you want an ice cream? Do you. You, whenever in a sentence you pronoun is used, you will always use a plural verb with you pronoun. So, we will use want here. F question, correct the errors in the sentences and rewrite them. You have to correct the errors whether it is of a verb or subject. You is kind and generous. Here is wrongly used. Instead of you is, we will use are. You are kind and generous. Second, I was tired after playing all evening. Here, whenever in a sentence I is written, I is singular pronoun, so verb will also be singular. We will use was. I was tired after playing all evening. Third, he have many books. He is singular subject or singular pronoun, so has been used here. Fourth, she are intelligent. She is singular subject, so we will use singular verb. She is intelligent. Fifth, we has finished our work. We is plural pronoun or plural subject, so we will use plural verb here. Sixth sentence, they was tidying the classroom. Here, they is plural subject or plural pronoun, so verb will also be plural. Now we will solve let's perfect it. Fill in the blanks with the verbs is, are, has or have. Black is litter of cups is for sale. Here black is a singular subject, so verb will also be singular. Is will be used here. Second, the salt is falling out of the bag. Salt is uncountable noun. It is so verb will also be singular used. Third, Gilbert and Jenny are ready to leave. Gilbert and Jenny both are two-person, means the subjects are plural, so verb will also be plural. Fourth, these art classes are very interesting. Art classes, again plural subject, so verb will also be plural. Fifth sentence, the army of monkeys is heading for the forest. Army is collective noun, so verb will be singular. Sixth, these houses have thick walls. These houses shows subject is plural, so verb will also be plural. Seventh, 200 rupees is all that I can give you. Here 200 rupees is a amount, so verb will be used as singular. Eighth, my parents are not in town today. Parents both mother and father, so verb will be plural. In the B question, you have to read the conversation between Pallavi and her mom. Here some mistakes of the verbs are given, so you have to correct and rewrite the conversation again. So I have made the corrections. In the first, mom, I is going upstairs to study. We will not use is anytime with I. We will always either use am or some other verb. In the second sentence also, instead of I am is used. Then instead of I were, I was is used. In the last one, mom, Varun are in the garden. Varun is not plural, it is singular, so is used. He were, he is again singular, so was is used here. Now choose the correct verbs from the bracket and match the subjects. And fill in the blanks. I am traveling this winter, but mom and dad are staying back. Second, India has many states. India is singular, subject, so has is used. Third, Namrata and her brother visit their grandfather every year. Here, Namrata and her brother both are plural nouns, so verb will be plural here. Fourth, Ayub. Ayub is singular subject, so verb will be also singular. Ayub wants to attend a theatre workshop. Fifth, the film was running at the multiplex for some time, but I missed it. Film is singular subject, so verb is also singular. Sixth, the flour in the bowl is not enough to bake a 2-pound cake. Flour is collective noun or uncountable noun, It is uncountable noun, so verb is singular here. These scissors are of no use. Here these shows the subject is plural, so verb will also be plural. Eighth, you were doubting me yesterday. Whenever we use you in a sentence, the verb will also be plural here. Now you know what the truth is. Here truth is abstract noun, uncountable noun, so it is, with it we will use is as a verb. Comprehension, here you have to read the passage and answer the questions. Choose the correct option. The first one, the writer went to a dash, means the writer went to a boarding school. Second, the housemaster wished to discipline the children. Third, Mr. Harold found watching television a useless activity. Why did children want to put up a play? The children wanted to collect the money for charity, so they had put up a play. Second, why did Mr. Harold support the children to put up a play? Mr. Harold thought it to be a useful activity. Third, give a reason with your answer. No, it's not true because many useful things are being shown on the television.